imagine things. I like to create things.
Take a good look around. An engineer played a major part in the buildings, the bridges, the roads and the machines that we use every day. Engineers create, they find solutions and they push the boundaries of science and technology. The Association of Consulting Engineers Australia, or ACEA, is an industry body. It represents firms working in engineering, technology and management consultancy. ACEA works to improve the business environment for its members through strong representation and influential lobbying activities. ACEA member firms worked on Australian engineering icons such as Telstra Dome in Melbourne. Glenn Maisie worked on the project soon after graduating.
Structural engineering, which is the discipline that I work in, is essentially involved in the design of literally the structure required to support buildings.
The stadium has the largest moving roof over a sporting venue in Australia and one of the largest in the world.
The moving roof is supported by 8 sets of wheels, which we call bogies.
It can host all the football codes plus entertainment events in any weather, day or night. Gerald Stewart often gets to work with rock stars and celebrities in his engineering job, designing studios for recording companies and radio stations. He designed this DVD authoring studio at Sony BMG in Sydney.
The room is designed so that it actually moves bad sound, for want of a better word, to somewhere other than where the engineer is sitting.
The walls and ceiling have special shapes and surfaces that either reflect or absorb sound waves.
I guess from an engineering perspective, it's nice to look back and go, I did that.
Absolutely. The Seacliff Bridge on Lawrence Hargrave Drive on the New South Wales coast is the only one of its type in the world and represents 650 metres of engineering brilliance. It was built to replace an old road prone to rockfalls and landslides.
Essentially, we shifted the road 30 metres away from the coastline out of the rockfall zone. My role was with the bridge design team. I was working under some very eminent engineers from around Australia and internationally, looking at the analysis of how we make this bridge stand up under the conditions that we're under. It's beautiful to look at and it's just great to, to have been a part of.
Bob Tan heads up the engineering and maintenance team at Dreamworld on the Gold Coast.
Oh, it's a great job. This job here is very different and we have many engineering challenges. In a roller coaster there are safety factors that range from about 3 to 10. In simple terms is, if it only needs to be so strong, it is between 3 to 10 times stronger. It gives me a great sense of achievement when we finally commission a ride and complete the attraction, and the first lot of riders go through and come out smiling.
Australian consulting engineers lead the world in environmentally friendly design. The Council House 2 building in Melbourne CBD uses recycled building materials, recycled sewage water for cooling, and external water towers for air conditioning, dramatically reducing greenhouse emissions. This wind farm on the Victorian coast provides a renewable energy source for 20,000 homes, all made possible by cutting-edge environmental engineering. And of course, consulting engineers play an essential role in maintaining Australia's all-important mining and export industries. ACEA members also lead the world in high-rise building design and construction. Jonathan Wang is working on the Burj in Dubai. When complete, it'll stand more than 600 metres high and will be the tallest building in the world.
My role in this project is, number one, is complete the structural analysis of the building. Anything to do with the stability system of the building, that's my responsibility. What I really want to do is to do something which has never been done before.
Jonathan is currently working on buildings with no form or set shape.
I'm actually involved in quite a few of all this kind of crazy building, if you like. I've actually designed a twisting building. I think people have a wrong perception about what engineering is all about. I think engineering is, it's actually a very creative thing. You're using your intelligence to give something back to people. I mean, maybe it sounds a bit noble, but that's what engineering is all about, making things happen for people.